recapping what we were doing right at the end of the lesson today. We were looking at tutor groups and we had this issue with repeated data. So for example, the student here is in RDMA with Mr. Dharma and Mrs. Jacobson, and we've also got this student here is an RDMA with Mr. Dharma and Mrs. Jacobson. So if, for instance, he was to change tutor teacher, or those in the same tutor group, that would have to be changed in 2 places here. And that's a pretty common thing. In fact, what would happen, there'd be 25 or so students who would have to change. So we're going to look at putting the data about the tutor group into a separate table, and then we'll be able to link to that table. So I've set that up already. Still got the students table. We've also got a tutor groups table, and the tutor groups table, each tutor group, we've got the data there, we've got the actual code for the tutor group, we've got the teacher, and we've got the SLT. We've only got it in one place, of course, and I seem to have changed that one already. And we've also got an ID, a unique identifier for each tutor group, which is numeric in this case. So in my students table, just to open that up again, instead of having the tutor group and the teacher and the SLT person, we've got just the number, which directly links back to this. So tutor group number 2, tutor group number 2, this one. I set up the relationship as well, so if I close all of this and we'll have a look at the relationships. I've got it set up as a one-to-many relationship. That's what this means, the one there and the many here. So one tutor group can have many students in it, which makes sense. So I can make a query design that combines those 2 tables. So I can have whatever information I want from this table, last name, first name maybe, and I can also have the tutor group, teacher, SLT. So for every record in this table, it will also look across this link here and get the data from this table, like so. So I want you to do that yourself. It means that you will need to go into your own tables. You're going to need to set up a tutor group table. You're going to need to transfer this data. If you're cunning, you can do a bit of copy and pasting and deleting and management in that respect. And then you can create the relationship, please. And every tutor group, every student, their tutor group will be set up exactly like I have set up this relationship. So you can pause wherever you need in the video just to refer back to that. So that's the first task for the day.